Yes, and it came to a 3-2 vote in today's clemency hearing, ultimately choosing not to recommend clemency for death row inmate Jermaine Cannon. Now, though, today the family of the victim says she can finally rest in peace.
Kathy Stoker?
No.
Richard Miller?
No.
Calvin Prince?
Yes.
Richard Smotherman?
No.
Ed Konieczny?
Yes.
Clemency is denied.
The Oklahoma Pardon and Parole Board voted to deny a clemency recommendation to death row inmate Jermaine Cannon Wednesday. They made the decision after hearing both sides of the argument. Cannon's legal team argued he was not given a fair trial before his conviction in 1995.
It is simply shocking that this weapon, which had obvious blood on it, was not tested for DNA. I do not know what the DNA would have revealed. If it had shown the presence of both Jermaine's blood as well as Miss Clark's, this would have gone a long distance towards supporting the self-defense claim that my client has urged.
In their counter-argument, the Attorney General's office said stab wounds to Sharonda Clark's throat and chest were not acts of self-defense. They argued Jermaine's actions after the stabbing show he was trying to hide the crime.
Changes into his new shoes, he locks the door, and he leaves while Sharonda is bleeding out in the bathroom. And he goes to stay with another friend. This is Rocky Elliott, who is the sister of Sharonda's neighbor, Sheena Elliott. So he sees Rocky just about an hour after the murder, and he offers to carry her groceries and help her inside.
Following the vote, Sharonda's daughter said this is justice and a relief 28 years later.
It's the start of actual healing, to actually grieve in a proper manner, to finally lay my mother to rest, even though she was laid to rest 28 years ago. However, now she officially gets to rest in peace.
Death row inmate Jermaine Cannon will see the execution chamber on July 20th.